Ka AGROVISION-2024 kala Pynlong ya Jingïalang Kaba Sngi Lynter nadu ka khanyo hadu khat pratarik ubanai jemang KHASI AU Impal yam ka Jingïalang ka baningkong jongka Zonal Convention Northeast Bharat Futuristic Agriculture for Atma Nirbhar Bharat ha kapang mingi chang kilomba Himalaya lapli perda menta kasngi ki professor bat ki samla puli na kaleng ki skol ba karep karyang chang kapang shatay la mingi kila shimenta ha kani ka Jingïalang u professor Sanjay Kumar Singh u badai u DDG Horticulture Science chang ka ICAR ka Nongba Delhi ulalong kum ukong san ha kani ka sngi ka AGROVISION-2024 kan saya keren chapang kimat bakong san chang karep karyang bat banyap liu jingmut ha ki babun ki pang bat gi jing chang karep karyang ha kani ka chuk menta bat kumno ban penbet yakini da ka ba pendan kam de ki kod ki bor bathamai bat ban wanra ya karep karyang ka ba khambaha
animals and everything health sector what we are trying to get back to those practices that the traditional medicine system, because already so powerful here. So that need to be mainstream and futuristic, because wherever, the people who are moving, West had gone to the ebb of the technology, but they could now say that climate change, it is taking the toll on an entire environment, and now they are talking that no, it is